Good morning. My name is Aaron Neitzel. I'm an account manager based out of our Redfield, South Dakota location. I'm going to talk to you today about pressure recirculation, product reclaim, and other features that are available on model year 22 sprayers with John Deere and Hagie. Let's start with pressure recirculation and product reclaim and give you a little explanation of how the system works. Pressure recirculation allows solution to be moving through the booms even when you're not spraying. So anything that you have agitated, suspended in solution will stay moving and you won't have anything settle in your booms. Product reclaim returns the product to the tank rather than cleaning your booms out on the end of the field. The way that we do this is there's a three-way valve at the center of the boom. We feed the booms to the end of the booms and return through the center rather than the traditional spray method of feeding through the center and out the ends. By turning that valve, we're able to bring product back into the solution tank. So a diagram of our plumbing is we are now center fed and feed the end of the booms and return to the center. In product reclaim mode, what we do is we pressurize air at the end of the booms and push the product back to through the center to the tank. Also the same when priming the booms, we now are feeding solution to the end of the boom and returning to the center. It equates to about between 35 and 40 gallons of product that's saved each time that you prime your booms and each time you air purge your booms. Command drive isn't a new technology for 2022. It was debuted in 2019. But what it is it's a hydro system that uses one pump to drive four wheel motors rather than two pumps that drove two motors on an older traditional system. Exact Apply is available for Hagie's for model year 22. It's been available on John Deere sprayers since 2018. Exact Apply gives us lots and lots of different spray options. In this example, we're using field outlining where we can use one nozzle to put a coarse droplet on the exterior of a field, and we switch to the interior field where we want a finer spray pattern, more coverage. We can change nozzles from the push of a button in the cab. Since we're using two nozzles and using them in pairs, we can also adjust our rate of spray in relation to our speed. As we change speed, the correct nozzle will spray, keeping us within pressure and spray droplet size. Turn compensation is a feature that allows the sprayer to maintain consistent rate through a turn. The inside of the boom will slow the rate down, the outside of the boom will speed the rate up to maintain consistent spray rate through your corners. Individual nozzle control. Each individual nozzle is controlled as its own section. As you cross waterways, interior boundaries, previous coverage passes, each nozzle will individually shut off and turn on their own. John Deere pulses at 30 hertz a second. Competitors pulse at 10 hertz a second. What this equates to is increased coverage with less probability of skipping. When you overlay the two different systems, you'll see your spray on and off times are 3 times less with John Deere's Exact Apply system than with competitors. And when you combine spraying out of both nozzles at the same time, we have an increased application rate. We can put down more product at a higher ground speed than our competitors can.
Thank you for watching. Connect with us by subscribing to Precision Ag Answers on YouTube and following RDO Equipment Company on social media. Visit rdoequipment.com for more precision ag resources and solutions.